It rained today. Often, people hurry to their terrace to gather the clothes that were drying in the sun. Sometimes, people look out the window or head to the balcony. Rarely, we see people dancing in the rain. I was waiting all summer for this exact moment. It did rain before, but not at this time. When the sun hadn't set yet, and all of nature was awake. I didn't know it would rain today. It didn't rain yesterday, or the day before that. That's what's beautiful about life. There's always something to look forward to. The herd of clouds gather above as though greeting each other with love. The masters of the sky hide in their nest. Monsoon, nature at its best. The rain drumming on everything below, the rich aroma wanting us to know. The muddy soil to us giving in, the patches of puddle wanting in. After the shower the earth, delightful and free of its dirt, the clouds making way for the sun. For monsoon's work here is done.